Hello and welcome to this demonstration of FreshForms, which you can find at freshforms.com. Now here you can see we're on the FreshForms blog, and I've got two forms that look completely different. One is bright and shiny, clear and inviting. The other, a standard, ugly web form that no one's really encouraged to use. Now would it surprise you if I tell you they're actually the same form code from the same back-end autoresponder company, but we started with FreshForms in literally a few minutes. Sound unbelievable? Well, it is, and that's what we spent months and a lot of money and time building, is this system, have it done for you instantly, easily, super sexy, super simple, super effective, and that's FreshForms. So do you want to see how it works? Well, here we go. On the blog post, it's actually really clear the difference. This here is a top form from FreshForms, and all this code, which goes on line after line, well, that's the standard form code from the autoresponder company. Now, what we've done in FreshForms is we've just dropped in that form code. We've clicked Finish Setup and Begin Styling. That takes us to the next screen, which is to style your web form. And there you can see the form. Now, here's how it gets really exciting. If you change the form style and click Save, that will update live on the blog. There we go. Nice and simple. 3 clicks or less and I've changed the style of my form. Now out of the box, FreshForms comes with half a dozen really sexy styles that you can use to suit your blog, your website, your project. From a very gradient style, a striped style as we say here, a notice board style, a corporate style, and our special favourite, the widgets, which are great for blogs, from black silver, green and yellow, red and black, and green and black. These FreshForms styles are optimized to convert for you, and the buttons themselves can also be changed. So you can see you have some flexibility there to play around and optimize your form in a way that works for you on your sites. Now, this one line of code that we give you in FreshForms, you can copy and paste anywhere, which means a few minutes work like some you do right now will optimize your forms to put on your own sites, your partner sites, your blogs, your affiliates, anywhere where you want to have a web form capturing your leads, partners, and conversions. That's what a FreshForm can come in to help you out with. And as I said, there's a few simple clicks. I've updated that form, and that last style we did, there you go, live on the website. Now if I want to update the text I've got here again, I can do that as well. Just go back into FreshForm whenever I like, go over it here, and update the copy with my revised wording, which is great for copywriters and web designers who haven't got the coding skills to handle uploading tons of JavaScript and PHP and CSS and image files that truthfully takes a nightmare out of time to do. Again, I hit save on that form, I refresh the page, and those changes will be live. Now, I think you'll agree this form is much more inviting than the other one. And here's a special hidden feature. Your FreshForm comes with a Powered by FreshForms link that will give you passive, residual, recurring income for anybody that signs up to use FreshForms from you. Thank you for your time. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation on FreshForms and a quick introduction of what we're really excited about bringing to you this year from the team at The Simple Idea. If you want to find out more, please go to freshforms.com and you'll see how we can easily help you create beautiful, high-converting forms today.